Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to get to use our power push. This is the 9000 with the cartridge setup instead of the sausage setup. And this is going to be something that I recommend everybody do because we've had a problem lately. These Honda plates for the camera shrouds are just double-sided taped on. If you don't see any ooze out anywhere, odds are that means they're double-sided taped. And we've had an issue with that tape failing and customers coming in, and we have to re-glue this or re-tape it or do something to get this to stick back onto the windshield. Where I've done this in the past and it's worked, but we just kind of veered away from it because they started urethaning these back on and now they're back to tape. So I'm going to take our power push 9000 here and we're going to run a small bead just right in this little gap along this edge and then right along the top here. That way, if your double-sided tape fails, this doesn't fall down and cause a problem. And yes, Jasper, you see me using a Sika product because this is what we have for this. So going to take our gun here, and again, we're just going to put this right here and we're going to run a small tight bead right along this edge all the way around. And then once we get this on there, we're going to throw a glove on and then just smooth out any of those edges that we might have missed. Put that back off a little bit, and then right across the top here, just like so. And the top, you don't necessarily have to smooth that up, you don't want to, but we want to clean up any of these lines around the edge here. So again, that was our power push 9000 with the cartridge setup rather than the sausage setup. And let's grab a glove here, and just like caulking a bathtub, we're just going to take a finger and smooth this out like so, all the way around to make sure we've got good contact with the plastic and the glass. And then again, this top one, you don't necessarily have to smooth that out unless you really want to, because this one's going to be hidden up underneath the headliner. So simple as that. Just going to run a small bead again around this edge to hold this in place. You can use primerless to glass. You can see I put a little primer on here. Any little extra if you want, you can kind of smear that around inside here if you so desire, with a little excess, just to help hold it in place. So again, something I recommend everybody do just because these have been an issue in the past and are currently becoming an issue again with falling off of the glass. So that is reinforcing your shroud bracket on the Hondas. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.